Having a screen in your wrist is just another way to get yourself distracted. So, how to be more productive without screen? Introducing the Pebble Index 01. For years, we have used phone for everything, but phone is just another way to get yourself distracted. But the smart ring is invisible tech. This is not a fitness tracker. It does not care about your steps. But it's an external memory for your brain. See the tiny little button over here? Just click it and whisper anything that you want to say for yourself. And AI will instantly turn this into a note. For example, I like to read. I like while I read, I have to write down so many things, what I learned from my experience and what I want to express. So instead of writing down everything, I just whisper it on my ring, and it just saves everything. If you want to do health tracking, the Samsung Galaxy Ring and the Oura Ring 4 are the kings of 2026. Samsung Galaxy Ring is perfect for the gym rats because it tracks your heart and also your steps perfectly, while the Aura is perfect for your sleep because it predicts 3 days before you getting sick. But the Pebble is for your mind. It also has a double pin gestures. You just click it twice and it will take photos or and also turn on or off the lights. By 2026, we won't be using screen phones as much. Instead, we will be wearing our tech. The big question is why? Because it's waterproof, it's private, and the battery lasts for years. So, would you trade your Apple Watch for a smart ring? Let me know in the comments and follow for more updates.